In the beginning, God created the earth, and with it the humble earthworm. These creatures, though small, play a mighty role in maintaining soil health, much like the unseen hand of God nurturing his creation. As earthworms burrow, they aerate the soil, allowing plants to breathe and grow, symbolizing how faith can move unseen to nourish the soul. Just as the earthworm's work is hidden yet vital, so too are the quiet acts of kindness and faith that sustain our spiritual lives. Reflect on the earthworm's purpose and find your own path to enrich the world.